Okay, here we have a thermostat replacement once again on a 3.5 Mitsubishi. Displacement right there, 3.5 liter engine. It's going to be coming off this lower radiator hose right here. Right there's the thermostat. And I just took the screwdriver and pried it out of there. They didn't have, oddly, they sold me the thermostat. They didn't have any sealers, so I'm gonna have to reuse this one. Hopefully it works. It's only 3 bolts, no problem to get to in case I need to put another one on. So I just take this off like this. And put it on this one. The new one. This old one doesn't look actually half bad. I'm not exactly sure what the problem is, but